value of our estuaries. My name is Sinegugu and I'm a PhD student in the botany department at the Nelson Mandela University, and I am part of the Institute for Coastal Marine Research. Estuaries are important bodies of water where the river meets the sea. These are highly productive ecosystems, and in South Africa there are over 300 estuaries that occur in sheltered environments. We are measuring the monetary value of estuaries to people. These benefits include resource utilization, nursery functions for commercially important fish species, and carbon sequestration. We are trying to link the conservation of estuaries to carbon markets and payments for ecosystem services from which rural communities can benefit. Results from our study have already been used in the strategic resource planning in estuaries, and more information on habitat ecosystem services can be found on the CSIR map viewer. You can also follow our project on ResearchGate called Climate Change and South Africa's Blue Carbon Ecosystem. Thank you very much, and over to you, Zanele.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Zanele Hartmann. I'm a PhD student. My study is looking at social and ecological approaches to integrated estuarine management, looking at the Swartkrop estuary as my laboratory. So, you might ask yourselves, what is so special about estuaries? It is because they contribute to human well-being economically, socially, and ecologically. In the study that was undertaken by Turpie et al., and that was published this year, they estimate that our terrestrial, freshwater, and estuarine habitats contribute to a value of about 275 billion per annum in South Africa in terms of ecosystem services that they provide. Now you ask yourself, what role do estuaries play in this? How do they contribute to this value? If you look at that picture on the top left-hand corner, along this estuary, most of those houses or the properties there are bed and breakfasts. They contribute towards boating, activities such as bird watching. You also have activities such as paddling. These activities contribute to the revenue that is generated into our country. From a recreational perspective, if you live in Port Elizabeth, for example, have you ever seen on a beautiful sunny day, if you go out and you'll see families, dads on their boats, you see mums and kids playing around the water and enjoying the aesthetics of these estuaries. Now that you have an understanding of the value of estuaries and what they contribute to human well-being, it is very important that we treat them as such. It is also very important that we make sure that the way in which they are managed ensures that their integrity is protected. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the future depends on what we do today. I thank you.